In our top business story, the inflation rate in Dubai is now at its highest level since July 2009, according to new figures released by Dubai Statistics Centre. Dubai's inflation rate rose to 3.4% in July, up 2.8% from the previous month. Housing and utility costs, which account for almost 44% of consumer expenses, jumped 5.8% from a year earlier in July and 1.1% from the previous month. Food and beverage prices, which account for 11% of the basket, rose 2.8% year-on-year, but fell 0.6% month-on-month. Analysts quoted in local reports forecast average inflation in the United Arab Emirates Federation would accelerate to 1.9% in 2014 and 2.5% in 2015 from 1.1% in 2013, which was the highest level since 2009. Gulf investors spent a total of more than 19 billion dirhams in Dubai's real estate market during the first half of 2014, according to figures released by the Dubai Land Department. Emirati investment formed the lion's share of this figure, totaling 12.5 billion dirhams, representing almost double the 6.5 billion dirham figure invested by all other GCC nationals combined. UAE investors made 2,513 transactions worth a total of 12.568 billion dirhams in the first 6 months of the current year. The DLD's report also revealed that citizens of Saudi Arabia were ranked in second place on the list of GCC real estate investment after making 1,121 transactions worth 3.3 billion dirhams. Qataris were ranked third with 113 transactions worth 1.463 billion dirhams, followed by Kuwaitis with 263 transactions worth 839 million dirhams, Omanis with 482 million dirhams and Bahrainis with 247 million dirhams. Annual growth in prime property prices in Dubai almost halved in the second quarter of the year compared to the previous quarter, with prime prices rising by 6.3% in the year to June, down from 11.7% in the last quarter. And Dubai developer Damac Properties announced that net profit for the first half of 2014 rose by 39% to $462.9 million, boosted by a big increase in sales of its new projects. The company said revenues rose 57% to more than $991 million in the first 6 months of the year, with booked sales reaching $1,682.6 million from $960 million in the same period last year. Damac added that total booked sales in its Akoya mega project stood at $1,443.6 million as of June 30. Damac also said it delivered a total of 1,634 units in H1 across 5 projects. Total assets stood at $4,288.8 million, representing growth of 41% compared to the end of 2013, with net profit for the second quarter showing an 18% increase to $253 million, while revenue rose 37% to $556 million. Looking ahead, Damac said it expects Dubai's strong economic fundamentals, regional safe haven status, and improving business sentiment to contribute to ongoing growth. Emirates Sky Cargo has revealed that it has carried 55,246 tons of temperature-sensitive goods since it moved its operations to Al Maktoum International at Dubai World Central on May the 1st. Goods include perishable products such as fruit, vegetables, flowers, fresh meat, as well as pharmaceuticals. The freighter terminal at DWC has advanced storage systems and a perishable area designed to handle around 140,000 tons of cargo a year. Emirates permanently shifted its Sky Cargo operations to Dubai's newest airport in the second quarter, however continues passenger operations at Dubai International. In 2013, the freight division of Emirates handled more than 313,000 tons of time and temperature-sensitive goods on its freighters and in the belly hold of its passenger aircraft, according to the statement. Sky Cargo carried a total of 2.1 million tons of cargo last year, bringing in 10.3 billion dirhams in revenue.